Hello, everyone, and welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all these price volatility, crazy stuff going on? Are you wondering when prices will be next? Well, look no further. You're definitely in the right place. I'm here to solve these problems for you by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's tutorial, we'll be analyzing Polkadot, DOT, what? That's right. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin for reference because I always say how important that is. A lot of younger people come to the channel, pay attention, listen to what I'm telling you, trying to help you. We're going to talk about the simple moving averages, the MACD and RSI. We'll talk about new price targets. Now, I might throw that in the middle because I want you guys to watch the whole video because there's always little nuggets of information and help and knowledge for you guys. So don't be impatient and just watch 30% of the video because it won't help you that much, right? You'll miss the rest of the message, right? So, guys, that's what I'm getting at. Now, we'll talk about supports and resistances, also a trend just for a bit, and we're going to touch upon the trade room also just for a second, right? So, first of all, before we get in the video, please be sure to smash the like button because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content, and it makes a huge difference to me. Also, I'm always trying to improve my videos and give you the best content I can, so please let me know what you like about my content in the comments below. And you guys know that I like that stuff, so because it helps me help you. And I'll certainly be sure to do more of it, of course, right? Now, let's get into today's lesson. Now, first of all, I have to talk, just for a second, we have to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a leader, provides perspective on all the coins. We cannot discount the importance of Bitcoin, no matter what we're doing. Sometimes we talk about Bitcoin dominance, blah, blah, blah. Right now, the time, a big sell-off, I called it back in late March because this is what I do, guys, not being cocky. So here we are. So now this is happening. We must focus on Bitcoin because it's going to dictate what other coins do. I just don't know how else to explain it better. Now, levels, 48,000. We just had a nice rally. 48,000, 44,700, 40,800, and then 33,400. Well, ironically, but a nice bounce from there, right? But I am talking in my trade room, which I want you all to be a member of. It's a bargain. But in the trade room, I spoke with this today. We had a rally from 33,000 to 38,000, a 5,000, and just couldn't get over there. But I've talked about 38 to 40,000 in my trade room repeatedly for a week and a half to 2 weeks now, guys. I'm just trying to tell you, not bragging. I'm trying to tell you what's important and what's not. That's what we do in the trade room. Now, so we stopped here, which is nice. We bounced up, but see what happened here? Don't like that. So, again, 30,000. Again, in the trade room, we talked about possible revisitation of this level. And then when it gets there, we have to consider these levels. We have to. We cannot discount them. Now, with that in mind, we're now going to talk about DOT because you can't think that a coin will go up while Bitcoin's going down. It's certainly, there are exceptions to the rule. However, the rule is just what I said. So, with that in mind, we're going to get right to it. Now, the MACD, bottoming out nicely. Relative strength, bottoming out nicely. 34.7. 50, above 50, we go up. Below 50, we go down. So, there's not anything going on right here to suggest we're getting ready for any kind of takeoff, right? So what we're doing right now is looking for where the sell-off finishes. That's why we must focus on Bitcoin, right? And again, you see these levels at 21 and some change and 19.2 and even 10.3. These are the supports that you must pay attention to because Bitcoin will dictate everything. 4-hour time frame, guys. Look, same thing again. MACD bottoming out. Ultra strength bottoming out. So here we are right here, right? Same levels, right? Same levels. So very important things that are coming up, right? Now, I want to focus on the moving averages for a second. On the daily time frame, you can see we had a nice spike up to $50, but now we've run down. Look at this. We've gone below the one pullback. That's extremely volatile. But again, manipulation, Bitcoin, we're not going to go there right now. What we're going to focus on is the 200-day moving average is 2277. Notice how we're not above that. That is very important, gentlemen, ladies. Very important. So, as long as we're below this, we could see a lot more damage. Now, we don't know just yet, but I'm just trying to tell you, as long every day that we are below this 200-day moving average, that's a problem. Notice how the 0.786 to 31.59. See how we huge slam down. Thank you, Elon Musk. Halfway back up, and then the spikes. You see that? That means they were selling, and here we are. So, again, MACD, look at this, right? So I hope you guys are getting the picture. The 4-hour time frame. Look at this. It's always possible with the one pullback, $18. We're not there yet. But however, I just showed you Bitcoin and their perspective. So if there's more selling in Bitcoin, do not be surprised. Okay? And you can see that the MACD is flattening here. But if there was any Bitcoin selling, do not be surprised. Right? So, I want to go back now, guys. I want to cover the trade room for just a second because I'm just really so happy, guys. You know, I don't tell you guys that much, but as far as I have an introduction to my channel and my background experience, I always welcome you guys to go listen to that. It gives you a little background into me, but look, I'm very happy right now because I'm trying to educate people with my background and my knowledge. And I'm very happy that this be received well. And this is why I've started. I'm going to go back for a second into my background and my knowledge. And so several years ago, you know, I've had extensive background in stocks and options also. But several years ago, somebody came to me that thought I was a smart guy, whatever, and I got started, and then I started doing this. And what I realized, you know, this was somebody else's idea. They asked me to do this for them. And so this is basically how I started. I didn't really want to do this. I was a private guy doing my own thing, and you know. So what I ended up doing was, what I realized in this process, even though I had someone who screwed me over, I don't really want to talk about the guy because I'm not here to poo-poo on anybody. I'm here to provide positive content. So, but the point was, in the process, even though I had a bad experience with him, I realized how many people want the help, how many people need the help. And this is why I do this, guys. And this is what happened. And then they talked me into starting a Telegram room. This is why I started it. Now I'm doing the YouTube channel. I'm really not realizing how many people are getting helped, how much they're being helped, how much they want it, how much they need it, how many people need, you know, all the above. Same playbook, right? So this is why I do what I do, guys. So what I'm saying to you right now about the trade room is we're very fortunate right now. And I want to thank you all for, there were a lot of new people when we started promoting the trade room when I started my channel. And a lot of people joined lately, and I certainly appreciate it, and thank you guys for the support. But it's only $20 a month. It's a bargain and a half. And what you're going to find when you read the comments is a lot of people are making a lot of money. And you know, for an educational channel, for someone that knows what they're talking about, you should be making money. That is the program. That is the plan, right? So it's nothing different than it was 3 years ago. But what I'm very thankful for right now is that we have some newer members that have joined the room during this downturn, which of course I called, and I was right about that too, not being cocky, just being accurate. And so I'm very happy that folks got to experience a downturn, because you know what, guys? Everybody wants to make money, but when you make money, what you don't want to do is give your money back and losses. So I'm very thankful that these newer members in the last, since I've been promoting this channel, my trade room, in the last, say, 6 to 8 weeks, I'm very thankful and happy and fulfilled even that you guys got to experience this downturn. You know that I called it. You know that I avoided losses both for myself and for you. And that right there is very valuable, guys, because you can make money, but don't give up your profits. Don't give up your profits. So I'm doing this again, guys. I want to thank the newer folks. In fact, let me give them a shout out right now. The newer people that have joined the trade room, they're making good money. If anybody reads the comments, you can see that. I want to thank Rocket Crypto, Celtic Crater, right? Constantine, Divi Ninja, Sue, Louis Javon, Lyco and Hoare, and Karma Green. I know I probably missed a few people, and I'm sorry for that, but I thank you all. But I'm just so happy that you guys got to see this downturn. You got to avoid the problems, the damages, and the financial losses, because that's what education is about, right? Right? Is financial education. So I know I'm going on about this, guys, but I'm very happy because all I'm asking right now is we had a deal for the month of May that I would not run my ads on my monetized channel now. And in return, all I ask is I get so many subscribers to my trade room. I love the comments you guys are giving, and the reason I'm asking and going on about this, guys, because there's newer people coming to the channel. They don't know me from Adam, right? So that's why I thank you guys for paying it forward, because the people that joined the room, that avoided losses, made the money, whatever they did, I'm asking you and I'm thanking you for paying it forward, because there was a time that you didn't know who I was also. So I want to thank you all for your help, and please pay it forward. I know you're making great money. We read the comments all the time. I can't thank you enough, but please pay it forward, okay? There's other people coming onto this channel. They don't know who I am or what I do. So please help them. Do this for them, okay? That's what this is about. That's the purpose of this channel, guys. So with that in mind, guys, I'm going to turn this part of the video over to you guys. And I'm going to ask you, what's the most important or valuable lesson that you learned from the video, okay? So please let me know in the comments below. I always love the feedback. I always answer your questions, guys. Tell me whatever you want to know. I always answer your questions back. Let me know about that. Now, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, the more subscribers that we get, and better content I can continue making for you. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, watch this next video.